Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have another interesting video for you. My old subscriber, thank you for staying back, and the new one, you're welcome. So let's get started. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make sausage roll for sale. This is what I use for my customer, and they always come back for more because the sausage roll is tasty. So I'll be using 4 cups of flour, that's 500 grams. Please make sure it's leveled. This is the perfect way to measure your flour. Don't fill the cup up to the brim. Okay, so I'll be using 4. This is the third one and the fourth one. Just follow this recipe the way I'm doing it, and what you will get out of it will blow your mind. So I have 4 cups here already. So we need 1 tablespoon of sugar for this particular recipe. This is sausage roll, you don't need too much sugar. We also need 1 teaspoon, can you see it all? 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and also 1 teaspoon of salt. This is salt. So mix all your dry ingredients together. So at this point, you can either use your hand to mix it or your spatula. So now I'll be adding 200 grams of butter. 200 grams of butter. You see, this is my sausage roll recipe. I cannot remove or add anything. This is what I use, and I can say this is my signature. After making it, people always come back for more, for you to know that it is tasty, very, very tasty. So that's why I cannot remove or add. I follow the normal measurement. So if you want to start any business, it's very important for you to do your perfect costing. Please, please, and please make sure you put your costing in place. Calculate the cost of everything you use. Then I will still do a video on that, but not now. I don't know when, but I will definitely do a video on that. So just mix everything together. Try and it's cold butter, that's why it's this strong. So I'm going to use my hand to mix everything together now. So by the time you are done mixing everything together, you should have this crumbling texture. Can you see? So now I'll be introducing my egg into it. So I have 2 eggs here. So for this recipe, I have 2 eggs, and I'll be dropping it in my description box. Also check it out. For 500 grams of flour, I have 2 eggs. So that means if you are using 1 kg, or you are making for 1 kg, you use 4 eggs, right? So I will introduce the egg now. Then you still go in with your hand to mix everything together to be well combined. So as of now, I'm doing this thing at night because I want to reduce production time. This order is for the next day, but I just had to do it at night so that I'll just keep it in my fridge till the next day. Then the next day I just start working. So after mixing the egg with it, this is what I have. That means I will have to introduce my water. I don't measure my water actually. I introduce it bit by bit. I'm also using the bowl I used for the egg. That's why it's looking like this. So for the measurement, you can use 60 ml of water, of cold water, or 1/4 cup of water. I think that should do. But I just add the water bit by bit at interval. I think that should work perfect for everyone. So can you see now? I still need to add more water. I just add it at interval. So it's time to introduce just little at a time, please. Little at a time. So I mix everything together. I think this last one I just added should be perfect. Can you see that they are all coming together? So this is what I have after everything. Please don't overwork your dough. And for this 500 grams, sometimes I can get up to 12 to 10 pieces depending on how big I want it to be. So if you want to do yours, also consider your production cost before you start cutting it out. So now after this whole thing, just to put it in your ziploc bag or wrap it in your cling film and put it in your fridge. If you have the time, you can keep it for an hour plus, but if not, 30 to 45 minutes is okay before you start working on the dough. So I'll be putting it inside my cling film, as I said earlier on, because this is the next day job, so I'm just trying to reduce my production time. That's why I had to do it overnight, at night rather. So just wrap it and put it in your fridge till you are ready to use it the next day. So this is the next day. I have to blend my sausage. So this is the sausage I'll be using. But for this sausage, I'm not adding anything, just the way it is. That's the way I'm going to blend it. But if you like, you can put some pepper. You can put any seasoning of your choice. But this sausage on its own is well seasoned, so there's no point adding anything. And this is what I've been using, so I don't want to add anything. And people I want to deliver it to, they will start complaining. So just can be creative with yours. Anything you want to put, you can put it. So now I'm done cutting it. I'll go ahead and blend it. I'll be right back. So here's the sausage after blending it. This is what it looks like after blending it. So let's start making our sausage roll. Clean your work surface, clean it well, and after that dust some flour, because we need the flour to work with this. So this is the dough the next day. So I'll be removing it from the cling film before I start working. Can you see? So I'll cut out some. So this is the one I'll be working with first. So get your rolling pin and roll it out. As you can see, that is what I'm trying to do. So this is it after rolling it out. I will just cut out the edges. Cut out the edges so you can have a rectangular shape. So this is it after cutting it out. It's time to put our blended sausage inside. So just be generous with it. Just spread it out evenly. This is it after putting the sausage inside. So I'm going to apply some egg by the edges, so to seal it together. You can also use your flour to do this, or you either use egg just for it to come together. So now it's time to roll it gently. So this is it after rolling it out. So it's now time for you to cut it into your desired shape, either like this or how big you want it to be. But I will go ahead and cut mine. I don't want it to be too big. So this is okay for me. So just press it out so that everything that is inside will show. Can you see? It looks delicious already. So for 500 grams, this is what I was able to get from it. So now what you have to do is to egg wash it. This egg wash is very important because it gives your sausage roll that shiny look and it looks so presentable like that. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to egg wash everything. You can egg wash it twice. After 5 minutes you put it in the oven. You can go back and also egg wash it. Is so after this I'll go and bake and get back. This is what I have after baking it. Can you see how presentable and yummy this looks? So let's go ahead and pack this order together. So for today I'll be using this particular pack. I so much love it. I like the fact that the front is transparent and you can see what we have inside. You can also put your label in front if you want. So inside this pack for this particular order, I'll be putting 2 sausage roll and maybe 3 to 4 puff puff. It depends. Maybe after packing it, if I have more, I can also add more. So before you start any business, as I said earlier, your costing is important, and before you buy any packaging material, also cost everything, add the cost into it. If it's okay by you, then you can go for something like this. If not, we have a lot of them in the market that you can go for. Please don't forget to add everything so that you have your gain, because there is no point doing a business and you will not have gain. So I'm done packing them. Can you see the final look? It's so presentable for any event. This particular part got finished, so thank God this one is at home, so I have to use this one. This one is not also bad. Don't forget to drop a comment below if this video was actually helpful. Start your business, use my sausage roll recipe or my puff puff mix recipe. You can check my previous video, and don't forget to subscribe for more educative videos like this. Bye.